Hey everybody, it's been about 2 weeks since I made a video, and thanks to one of my Instagram followers, she reminded me that about making the videos. So I would like to start off by saying I'm 190 now. I was at 189, but I guess with PMS and all that stuff, I went up to 190. I even went up to 193, even though I was still eating healthy and all that stuff. But I guess with the water retention, whatever it's called, water, like when the body holds the water, it wasn't going anywhere, you know, my weight loss. So, yeah, I'm back at like around 190, and I haven't lost any weight, but I have lost inches. Because in the beginning, I was about 48 inches when I first started my weight loss, and now I'm about 43 and a quarter. So, to me, that's the most important, is the inches, and I'm still working as hard as ever. I'm trying to find a gym. I went today to one in LA Fitness, and I felt like they were trying to sell me a car, and I was like, you know, I don't want to be in a place that's like that. So I'm just going to go up the street to Retro Fitness, and it's more comfortable. They're not trying to sell me anything. They just say, do your thing. So I also want to thank everybody that's still following me and supporting me, and you guys do so much in my motivation. I'm glad I can inspire people. I've had many people start the diet, and also the pescatarian diet that I'm on, and everyone's saying what a different change, like their health is better, their attitude is better, and I am so proud of them. And I wish the most luck to everybody that's trying to get healthy, and I hope you guys are going to see results soon, because we all want to be healthy and fit and look nice. Let me see. I'm sure guys don't want to know this, but I'm very late on my period. And I'm thinking that has to do with my weight loss, that I've lost like 29 pounds so fast. So I know it's not pregnancy, it can't be pregnancy, but I don't know, hopefully it's nothing big, nothing major, because it's kind of like a week late. And so I'm hoping it's just, you know, my crazy body. So keep looking for my videos and supporting me, and I'll be supporting you guys right back on Instagram. And thank you again. You guys mean so much to me. So have a nice day and keep healthy. Bye.